Back with us here, and that's our schedule here on GMA News TV. Samantala, excuse me, let's clear the throat and the air for Iya La Chica. She is our shaky face of the game. Smile, Iya. Yan, kaway. Kasi meron kang pizza. Kasi you are our face of the game. 17 years old from Makati City.
Player ni Coach Mac.
Yan? Bakit ba dito lahat relational? Player ko, player ni Coach ganito. Ang volleyball talaga napaka-relational.
Yeah.
No? Kahit that's how it started dito. It's just, parang shaky yan eh. Fun family pizza yan eh. Friends, boyfriends, significant others, di ba? Papaluin ko yan. Hello. Hi, Michelle.
Nice one, Mitch. Good effort.
Si Rina ang courtside ngayon, hindi ikaw.
I'm out.
Sad talaga. Ito, medyo lumamang na yung Smart. Nakapuslit. Pakinggan natin ang piyan.
Tatuin. Siksikin mo muna dito. Ito, sabi, siksikin mo dyan. Ayan, tatlo kayo, oh. Short ball sa iyan. Ngayon, pagka-receive, atras ka rito. Pasok ka ng A, dodo siya doon. Huwag kang i-stay dyan kasi nandiyan yung dalawang malaking block. Ngayon, ang palo mo down ka lang doon.
Dito open coach ito lang sa...
Dos
lang.
Dos.
Three points. Still
Okay,
serving.
Monday,
3,
yan ang schedule. Nakita mo yung timeout na yun? Michelle Datuin nagsasalita na, no? May sinasabi, no? Tungkol sa toss din, eh, no? Dapat naman nagko-contribute lahat, eh, no?
Yes. No, tsaka, you know, that's why it's a team sport. Communication is very important.
Si Guliman, kanina pa niya, inaasam-asam yun.
4 points up for Smart.
Gusto niya
Yun yung
talagang-
regalo.
Oo,
Sinasabi
regalo.
ko.
Eh. Oh, yun, sorry.
Serving.
Yun po ang regalo.
Roses.
Kitang-kita, hindi pa Pasko. Binigay sa tuktok ng net. Huli ka. Roses. Nice dig. Muli na set.
Wow.
Bakit akin to? Anyway, tama yung sabi mo. Soltones, may power.
Wow!
Ouch.
Good dig by Tadeo.
Good effort.
But the
Not
point
I
goes
miss
to
it's
Smart.
playing volleyball.
20
Yung isisigaw
to
mong out.
15.
Diba yung rule
Substitution.
is you put your
Smart,
foot
PNP.
over
Two
the,
out,
over the
5.
sideline and then
Remigio.
you say, you can
In.
now sense kung in o out. Kaso kung
Service.
mahangin gaya ng beach volleyball, bahala ka sa sideline maghanap dyan.
That's true.
20-15 po ang ating bilang. Roses serving.
Well, this is the second setter of itong PNP.
Hugo Hing and Roses both twirling on the floor. Nice set. Bago na yung setter ng PNP. Dahuli, nabutasan sila. Ang kanilang bagong set is number 5. That's Roby Remigio. Shakey's is the place to go to for fun family pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's.
Matong si Coach Bob actually trying to give yung other players na a chance to play. Pati setter.
Oh, which is the prime reason for joining also. Ooh, sabi ni Ruby, sorry. Overcook siya. Gohing! De Leon. Ganda ng apology niya kay Roger.
Oo.
Multitasking talaga babae ang asahan mo dyan. Diba?
Yes.
Sabi, nag-sorry na sinundan pa yung depensa. Tusok! Tusok yan. Only women can do that. Say sorry, do a set, play defense. Lalaki, wala ka maasahan ko sa ganyan.
Score 15. PNP.
Takes experience learning. 22-15. Makinig tayo sa timeout.
Dami nun. Okay, tapos siya.
Kaya yan.
Inakabakan ka kasi doon sa dulo. Ship na lang. Wala yung receive na. Ship na may block tiro. Receive na. Dahan-dahan pagkalangan niya. Taas lang dito. Bola pa rin na. Sunod lang sa laro. Ha? Okay, go.
Makita natin, Soltones,
7-point
ilang
advantage
beses na ginawa
for
yun, but she has
Smart.
been
Here,
successful.
number 2,
You know, really
Sue
one
Roses.
bright spot. And as you said, sabi mo, no, Sev, it's, she could be the future.
Yeah, I love, ito si Gretchen Sultones. Sarap panoorin
The
kasi.
race.
She looks like she just stepped out of some high school
Yeah.
somewhere, di ba?
You're right.
And she will have the blessing of looking young forever. Unfair ang buhay, pero ganyan talaga. 23-15. Itong Smart,
Roses.
pagkatapos medyo mga tog ng konti, biglang nagising, overset. Michelle, nice stab.
Oh.
Quick attack. Guliman. Smart. Now at set
Wow.
advantage.
That's all you can say.
There are times in life, talkative as I am, and all you can say is,
Roses.
wow. Yung eye contact and coordination of setter and killer.
Yeah.
They conspired. Sue Ross is a stalwart. They're just steady. Soltones,
Again.
Sultanes ends the second
just
set.
loving that
Well,
off-speed
25.
attack of hers. I think she's learned how to, in the recent UAP, she's learned how to do that.
So, tama yan. You can see the patience ng isang player. Kasi normally players, gusto nila palo na ng palo. Ito, effective naman. They keep going.
Exactly, as you will see in our shake and play.
How many times has she done that?
I have lost count. Back in a moment.
Ito ang Shake is Billy.